The M1E3 Abrams is not just another upgrade in the long line of American tanks, it is a complete redesign meant to carry the U.S. Army's armored force into the future. Where past models like the M1A2 SEPV4 tried to push the limits of an already heavy platform, the M1E3 begins with a new approach that emphasizes lighter weight, hybrid propulsion, and greater survivability. This is not about making small adjustments, it is about rethinking what a battle tank needs to be in the age of drones, precision munitions, and networked warfare. One of the most important aspects of the new Abrams is its weight reduction. Current Abrams tanks often weigh around 75 to 78 tons, which places heavy demands on transport, bridges, and logistics. The M1E3 is expected to come in closer to 60 tons, which makes it far easier to move by air, rail, or road. This weight loss also improves agility on the battlefield, giving commanders more options in where and how to deploy it. Despite being lighter, its protection levels are not being compromised thanks to new composite materials and modular armor designs. Propulsion is another game changer. Instead of the thirsty gas turbine used on older Abrams models, the M1E3 is planned to use a hybrid electric drive. This system is expected to deliver as much as 50% better fuel efficiency, greatly extending range and reducing the logistical burden of constant refueling. Hybrid power also provides quieter operation in some modes, which can help with stealth, and it generates extra electrical power that can be used for future high-energy weapons, sensors, and electronic warfare tools. Protection is evolving as well. Traditional armor remains a foundation, but the M1E3 integrates active protection systems right into the design. These systems can detect and intercept incoming threats such as anti-tank missiles or drones before they strike. On top of that, engineers are working to reduce the tank's thermal and electromagnetic signature, making it harder for enemy sensors to lock onto. With modern conflicts showing how vulnerable armor can be from above, especially against loitering drones, the M1E3 is designed with these new dangers in mind. The crew arrangement is being modernized too. Unlike the four-person crew of current Abrams models, the M1E3 may operate with just 3 crew members thanks to an autoloading system and an unmanned turret. This means fewer people are exposed to danger inside the turret, and the crew compartment can be more compact and better protected. Automation also reduces fatigue and increases firing speed, giving crews a tactical edge in high-intensity combat. Firepower is not being neglected. The tank is expected to keep its main 120mm gun but with enhancements that could include compatibility with advanced programmable ammunition, maneuvering rounds, or even gun-launched missiles. Combined with modern fire control systems and artificial intelligence assistance, this ensures the M1E3 maintains the punch to defeat any armored opponent. Secondary weapons and drone integration may further expand its arsenal, allowing it to engage threats at multiple ranges. Artificial intelligence and digital integration are central to the concept. The M1E3 is being built around open systems architecture, meaning its computers, sensors, and communications can be upgraded rapidly as new technology becomes available. AI will help with target recognition, threat prioritization, and data sharing across the battlefield. The tank will not fight alone, it will be part of a networked system of manned and unmanned vehicles, drones, and command centers that all share information in real time. Design-wise, the M1E3 will likely look sleeker and more compact than its predecessors. Concept art in the Abrams X demonstrator already shows sharper armor lines, a smaller profile, and an overall stealthier shape. While it will still be recognizable as an Abrams at first glance, the changes in turret design and reduced silhouette mark a significant step forward. These adjustments are not just aesthetic, they directly contribute to survivability by making the tank harder to target and easier to conceal. Performance testing is still ongoing, but expectations are high. While exact top speeds are not yet public, the lighter weight and improved propulsion should make the M1E3 more agile than earlier Abrams models. Range will also improve thanks to the hybrid system, and the ability to run silently for limited distances on battery power could open up new tactical possibilities. The electrical system will also allow the tank to operate sensors and communication systems without constantly idling its engine. Development of the M1E3 began in earnest in 2024 when General Dynamics Land Systems was awarded the main contract. The original plan envisioned fielding a new tank by 2030, but the Army has since accelerated the timeline, with initial entry into service now targeted for the late 2020s, possibly around 2027 or 2028. This rapid schedule reflects both the urgency of keeping pace with evolving threats and the benefits of leveraging technologies demonstrated in the Abrams X prototype. Cost remains undisclosed, but it is safe to assume the M1E3 will come with a price tag in the multi-million-dollar range, much like its predecessors. However, the Army argues that the investment will pay off through reduced operating costs, greater survivability, and easier upgrades over the vehicle's lifetime. By focusing on modular systems and open architecture, the M1E3 is designed to adapt instead of becoming obsolete in a decade. For those outside the defense world, the simplest way to understand the M1E3 Abrams is this: it is a tank designed for tomorrow's battlefield. Lighter yet tougher, smarter yet simpler to maintain, quieter, more efficient, and far more connected. Instead of being just a big gun on tracks, it is a mobile fortress equipped with brains, brawn, and the ability to work alongside autonomous systems. It represents not just a step forward in technology but a shift in philosophy, ensuring armored forces remain relevant in the high-tech wars of the future. Would you like me to also create a shortened 2 to 3 paragraph version of this script for quick social media style video reviews alongside this long one?